Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the 7th day of Christmas at the Smart Wood Shop. I've chosen 12 perfect gifts for that carpenter, that woodworker in your life, and each day I'm revealing it, telling you why it's important and why that it's a tool that I actually use, have in my shop, and if I didn't have one, I'd go out immediately and purchase it. Let's check out what the 7th day of Christmas brings us. It looks like we're gonna have a double hog Christmas. Yesterday was the Hedge Hog push block, and today it's the Hedge Hog Feather Board. Just like the Hedge Hog push block, I have had lots of feather boards purchased and made in the shop, and this is by far the most ingenious one I've ever seen, the easiest to use. It does its job. It's just absolutely perfect. It simply slides in to the miter track on your table saw, and it doesn't have to be a T-track. It'll work on either kind. It's got kind of a unique shape to the block that fits in there, and once you slide it in, you tighten this down, then it's locked in. Very simple to operate. Just slip your material in that you're going to rip and rotate it over and put some pressure on it so the fins are curved in the direction you're going, so it'll keep the material from backing up on you, as well as keep it pushed toward the fence. I'll slide it back so it's in front of the blade, and then rotate it over, bend those fins just a little bit. Don't want to bend them too much and make it hard to push through. The Hedge Hog Feather Board, $35. I have this in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but I will also put a direct link to it in the description of the video down below. Be sure to drop in tomorrow for the 8th day of Christmas. Merry Christmas!